Hi everyone, in front of me I've got HONOR X8a and let me share with you how to update the apps on this device. So first of all, make sure that you've got the internet connection, it is required, and then we can enter the Play Store. What is more, a quick disclaimer, you will be able to follow all of my steps if you've got your Google account added to the device. So you can either add it now, so log in, or sign up, so create the account. If you're not sure how to do it, I highly recommend to check our tutorial. I've just recorded the video of how to add or remove a Google account in this device. After that, let's simply tap on the circle in the right upper corner, which is your account, and tap on Manage Apps and Device. Now we have to tap on Manage. And as you can see, this is the list of all currently installed apps, and we have to tap on Updates Available to check which one we can update. So simply find the apps you'd like to update and mark them. Of course, if you want to, you can mark all of the apps, it's up to you. And then simply tap on the update icon in the right upper corner. As you can see, your device will right now download the updates, and after that they will be successfully installed and automatically updated. So you do not have to do anything more, just wait patiently. Of course, you can turn the Google Play Store completely off. Everything will happen in the background. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.